Natural stone is a rare piece of art we use in everyday life. It is becoming increasingly popular in homes as benchtops, splashbacks, tables, etc. Here are several tips to help maintain its functionality and natural beauty. Natural stone is a delicate substrate that can easily be damaged. Due to its porous nature, it is very susceptible to staining and discoloration from everyday activities. By following the do's and don'ts, your natural stone will be preserved and maintain its optimum condition for many years. When cleaning natural stone, it is best to use a pH neutral cleaner and avoid harsh acidic cleaners as the acid will etch and damage the surface. Always read the cleaning product's label to confirm its suitability for use on natural stone. A damp, non-abrasive cloth is a good everyday cleaning method. Pair this with a natural stone compatible neutral spray and wipe and you have the perfect solution for cleaning away common spills and cooking mess. To further maintain and protect your natural stone, applying a product like stone soap at the end of each day will strengthen the stain resistance and finish of your natural stone. Natural stone is like your skin and hair. A good everyday routine could be the difference between it looking good or falling to pieces. Here are several products we recommend to use in your everyday natural stone maintenance routine. Responsibly Green Spray and Wipe, used for good general cleaning. Responsible Green Neutral Cleaner as an alternative for the spray and wipe in certain applications. The Actichem Stone Soap, used at the end of each day to rejuvenate the stone and strengthen its stain resistant properties. And then the Actichem Stone Gel Pro, used for removal of stains and discoloration.